to celebrate 116th Founders Day today at this Founders Monument of ours, which is a sacred place for all our Kennarites. And we're also happy to inform you that it's the 169th birthday of our founder today. So we'd like to welcome all of you present here in our celebrations. Without any further ado, I would now request all our dignitaries to kindly offer the garland to our revered founder.
On this happy and auspicious occasion of 116th Founders Day of our bank and 169th birthday of our respected founder M.M. Subbarao-Bhai, we from Canara Bank, we greet each one of you. Today is also most auspicious day of Kartika Purnima also, Guru Nanak Dev birthday also, of course International Men's Day also. So on this happy and auspicious occasion, we remember this great soul, a visionary, an educationist and a social reformer. ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಒಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಚೇತನ ಅವರು 1906 ಜುಲೈ 1ರಂದು ಅವರು ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಈ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಆದರೆ ಅದರ ಮೊದಲು 1891ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆನರಾ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದರು. 1894ರ ಕಾಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದ ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಯ ಹೊಸ್ತಿಲನ್ನು ತೊಳೆದು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಾರದಂತಹ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗು ಕಲಿತರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಸಂಸಾರದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸಮಾಜದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ದೇಶ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮಾನನೀಯ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಶ್ರೀ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ದಾಮೋದರ ದಾಸ್ ಮೋದಿಜಿಯವರು ಯಾವ ಕರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೇಟಿ ಬಚಾವೋ ಬೇಟಿ ಪಢಾವೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನನೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು 1894ರ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸಿದವರು. ಇವತ್ತು ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾವಂತರಾಗಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಉಷಾಪ್ರಭಾ ನಾಯಕರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಚಿತ್ರ, ನಮ್ಮ DGM ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನಿತರ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸೋಲ್ಸ್. ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸದ ಕೆನರಾ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆರಂಭಿಸಿದ್ದರು. ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಮಾತ್ರ 1906 ಜುಲೈ 1ರಂದು ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ದ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಒಬ್ಲಿಗೇಷನ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೀಡ್. ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕೇವಲ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು. ಸಮಾಜದ ಯಾವುದು ಧ್ಯೇಯಗಳು ಉಂಟು, ಆದರ್ಶಗಳುಂಟು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಡಿಬೇಕೆಂದು ಅವರು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಬೀಜವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಅಂದು ಬಿತ್ತಿದ ಬೀಜ ಇಂದು ದೇಶಾದ್ಯಂತ ಸುಮಾರು ನಾವು 116 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅಂದು ಬಿತ್ತಿದ ಬೀಜ ಈಗ 9,800 ಶಾಖೆಗಳು, 10,900 ATMsಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ 17.19 lakh crore ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣೀಭೂತರಾದವರು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈಗಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆ. ಟುಗೆದರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗಿನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಮೊದಲು ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವ್. ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ? ಪ್ರಗತಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಯಾಕೆ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು? ಬೆಳೆಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ. ಟುಡೇ ಅವರ್ ಎಡೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ आपके बिना हम अधूरा है. When customers, bankers come together, we can herald a new era for the entire world. Today, the small seed sown by him has become a biggest conglomerate. Today, Canara Bank is one-stop shop for all the banking needs of the customers. Today, with 17.1 lakh crore of business, we are the third largest public sector bank of the country. We are also, when recently CRISIL rating came, we became the AA plus stable also. And when we went to the market to raise Tier 1 bonds, sir, I was like to tell you, sir, bank wanted 500 crores. With a market green shoe option of 1,000 crores. We got 3,460 crores. That is the confidence of the stakeholders. That is the confidence of the market. And share price, what was at 80, today it has gone above 238. This is, first of all, due to the blessings, continued blessings of this great soul, Ambemmal Subbarao ji. Our senior staff members who their sweat and blood built this bank. We have such a general manager, such luminous assembly here, and 90,000 staff of Can Bank, men and women, who with dedication, with devotion and with determination and with passion, by sweat and blood, they have built the bank, they are building the bank further also. Our respected MTM CEO, Sri A.V. Prabhakar ji, and our 4 executive directors, Devjit Mukherjee Saab, Madam Manimekalai, Sri Satyanarayana Raju sir and Brajman Sharma ji, they have got one passion to make the bank the best bank for the customers to bank with, and for the staff members, best place to work for. So this is our dream, this is our vision. Today, large number of my customers have assembled here. My heart is full with emotions. Yenupai Abdul Kunaji, I never thought he will be here. Despite his all meetings, he cancelled at my invitation. He is here. In respect to you, Dr. Usha Prabha Naik, another luminary from this field, and so many of my valued, esteemed clients, shareholders, you have come here. In respect to you, sir. Seed grown from here, we want to grow further, sir. Toward this, we want support from each one of you. जो हमारा माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का एक ड्रीम है आत्मनिर्भर भारत. Towards this, bank would like to strive, sir. We would like to serve each and every customer of ours, sir. Along with you, we also would like to serve your family members, your acquaintances, your contacts, because we want to grow, sir. Serving to grow, growing to serve. Unless I grow, I cannot increase the business. So towards this, I request you to please support us. And from the entire team of my 295 branches, 2,435 staff members, I will assure you that we are committed to give best of the customer service. Canara Bank would like to be your preferred financial partner. Canara Bank joins to be in your prosperity. Please do support us. Give us the privilege of serving you. Along with you, we also would like to serve the community also. Today we are giving some corporate social responsibility of giving some sanctions also. It is giving back something what we got from the society. Our honorable Robert Founder used to say, समाज ने तेगुंडदनु समाज वापस कोडुदु स्व के लिए स्वल्प राष्ट्र के लिए सब कुछ. हमारा माननीय प्रथम ने ये भी कहता है राष्ट्र प्रथम. Similarly, with that we are having corporate social responsibility also. We are also giving Canara Vidya Jyoti scholarship, very very dear to our founder's heart, for the small girl child, economically impoverished but meritorious, from a government school, and a girl child, which we want her to be educated. So we are giving some scholarships also. Of course, we want to give some retail loans. कोई ना चाहता से अपने सत के ऊपर एक चर हो जाए. We want everybody to have house to live in. We want a vehicle to drive. So we are giving the vehicle loans, and we want the children to be sent abroad or for higher studies. And for any of your requirement today, Canara Bank is there, sir. I always tell you, sir, when you lit the lamp tomorrow in your house, you will remember the bank, sir. When you drive the vehicle, first you remember the Canara Bank, sir. And जब आप बेटी को स्टडी के लिए फॉरेन भेजते हैं, you will remember Canara Bank, because we want to be your financial partner. We are there to serve you, sir. I commit each one of my esteemed clients, my stakeholders, that Canara Bank will always there at your service. Please support us. We want to grow together. Today again on the auspicious day of Kartika Purnima, Guru Nanak Dev Jayanti, as well as International Men's Day, I congratulate each one of you. We bow in respect and reverence to this great soul, of whose 116 Founders Day and 169th birthday we are celebrating. We have not introduced him. Whether do you think he needs an introduction? That is why deliberately we are not introduced a man par excellence, man with golden touch, who has made South Canara for a NFI group of educational institutions or the institution name. He has created a name for the district. He is a Rajyotsava awardee also. Many more such awards should come to you, sir. With your permission, we would like to felicitate you, sir. This is not the shawl, sir. We are wrapping you with our love and affection, sir. At our Miyar, sir, we have an artisan center.
I'm honored. My connection with Canara Bank is from last 51 years.
Wow.
It's growing stronger and may bless all of us. Thank you for the felicitation.
Dr. Usha Prabhak Naik is an ideal example of the success women can achieve. Real woman empowerment in today's society. What my words, sir? She is a successful entrepreneur, a great educationist, a teacher par excellence, a researcher. She is a great orator also. She is an voracious orator. Of course, she is an anchor also. You might have seen in all the TV programs of this area. Great organizer. She has epitomized, redefined versatility in a way that only a woman is capable. Though he is an international mainstay today, but she has shown which woman is capable of doing it. Orange curtains.
Yeah, beautiful. Gandhiji is called as Bapu. He gave independence to, he led the group which, towards independence of India, and this is this great soul, gave independence to the girls of India. So if he is Bapu, then this great soul is also our Bapu. So let's call from here onwards as Bapu of Mangalore.
Great.
And he also said that, see, once upon a time, people used to think that Lakshmi ಮತ್ತು Saraswati ಒಟ್ಟಿಗಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. And he said, no, along with the education, if a lady can manage the household and the finance of the household, because earlier days men used to give, and with that they used to run houses. So if that can happen, then why not the financial discipline of the entire society? And I feel that I according to me, you have a female to men ratio.
Yeah, yes.
As a very high.
Yeah, very high ratio.
Yeah, so that was the vision. But I tell, yes, change is part and parcel. So everything will grow. Along with that, please do not change the vision of our Bapu. Even in the higher level, when you're talking, at least there has to be 50-50 of men to women ratio. See that women will see, I could not reach, but a person with a great soul, he helped me to reach there. Correct? To put, that is the opportunity which I got. So if little bit of your support, women can grow to any extent. So days are changing. Please support and see that the vision of Amembal Subbarao Pai should not stop at the level of the lower level. It has to grow with the help of the entire Canara Bank family.
At 3:30 he wakes up, he comes to our temple at 4:30 and plays tabla. Whether he has learned tabla, I don't know. Whether his Purajamagamma ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. From 4:30 to 6 he will play tabla in the temple along with such perfectionist who have practiced tabla for decades together. Young budding artist. Heavier than him. Running a school for special children. They are God's children, so they wanted one projector, and we are not giving them, sir. They are giving us an opportunity to serve the society through them, sir. So I request them to please accept this, sir. HIV infected the children. I don't want to speak much about that. So our heart fills with emotions and tears. God bless the children.